Have you ever wondered how a tiny caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly? It's a magical journey, a tale of transformation and beauty, and it happens right here in our own backyards. Our story begins with a butterfly mother laying her eggs on a leaf. These aren't just any leaves, though. She chooses the perfect plant that will provide food for her soon-to-be hatched caterpillars, often a tasty variety of milkweed or parsley. And then, the miracle of life begins. Inside each tiny egg, a caterpillar starts to form. After about a week, the egg hatches, and this is where the next chapter of our story unfolds. The caterpillar, or as scientists call it, the larva, steps into the world. This tiny creature has one big job: to eat. It munches on the leaves around it, growing bigger with each bite. As the caterpillar grows, it goes through a phase called molting. This is when the caterpillar sheds its old, tight skin, revealing a new, larger one underneath. It may do this 4 or 5 times as it continues to grow. But then, something magical happens. When the caterpillar is big enough, it forms a protective shell around itself called a chrysalis. Inside this chrysalis, the caterpillar is about to undergo an amazing transformation known as metamorphosis. Over the course of approximately 2 weeks, the caterpillar inside the chrysalis changes. It's not just growing this time, it's reshaping, reforming, and transforming. When the time is right, the chrysalis breaks open, and a butterfly emerges. But the butterfly isn't ready to fly just yet. It needs to rest and let its wings dry out. Once they're dry, the butterfly takes its first flight, ready to start the cycle all over again by laying eggs of its own. So, in a nutshell, the life cycle of a butterfly is a 4-step process. It starts as an egg, hatches into a caterpillar, wraps itself in a chrysalis where it transforms, and finally emerges as a beautiful butterfly. It's a wonderful example of nature's magic, showing us that sometimes the biggest changes bring the most beautiful results.